Hi friends, my name is Debbie Abel and today we're going to be painting this cute Christmas card. So let's jump in and get started. We're going to start off by getting our bubbles nice and wet. I just had three different sizes of glasses. You're going to need a big one, a medium, and a small one. And we're just putting clean water on the inside. We want to make sure it's nice and wet. And we're going to be placing our colors. For colors, I'm going to be using my sienna, my burnt sienna, my burnt brown, and we're going to be using red with a little bit of sienna, a little bit of orange, and red with a little bit of the burnt sienna. So we're going to start off by putting our burnt brown and very light on the color. We're just going on the right hand side. That's where we're going to keep our shadows. We want to make sure we keep our highlight on the left hand side. That's where the light is shining. That's where it's hitting our ornament. So we're going to keep the left nice and bright. And this is very simple. We're just going around the circle, putting some of this brown on the right and try to blend a little bit, but not too much. We want to keep the darker color on the right hand side. Now I'm picking up my sienna and I added a little bit of orange, not too much, just a touch. And remember, we're keeping these colors nice and light, not too much pigment, a lot of water in it. We're gonna add this color just here on the bottom of the ornament and maybe just a little bit on the left hand side, just to make that circle line. And then we're gonna blend a little bit, not too much. Maybe add a little of this color on top. And then I'm gonna be putting my red with my orange and sienna. Keep it on the top and on the side of the right bubble. And this is the area that we want to make sure is on the darker side, but not too dark. And we're just going half of the ornament, and then we're gonna clean our brush and we're gonna try to blend it. We don't want no lines. We want to make sure it's nice and blended. Every time you go back to it, make sure you have a clean brush. And if you have too much water, just wipe it off on your paper towel and move the paint just in the blending motion. Remember to keep some of the highlight in the center. That's going to give us the nice round shape. When you see the darker browns and the lighter browns, that's going to make your circle look like a circle. I'm just dropping a little bit more of my brown. This is the burnt sienna with the brown, and I'm just adding some more water to the center. This paper is drying pretty quick. It's not 100% cotton paper, so it tends to dry quicker than 100% cotton. So we want to keep it nice and moist. And we're adding some more on the top. And it's blending the way we want it. And don't worry if you see any dots, it's gonna blend because the paper is wet. So the watercolor is gonna start moving around, and that's what we want. I'm adding some on this side here. And whatever leftover you have on your plate or your palette, and just adding some more. Trying to keep some of the highlight. And now I'm gonna add a little bit more of my brown. And this is the burnt brown with a lot of water. Just to give some more contrast to the bubble or the ornament. I kind of got lost and the blending motion. So we want to bring those colors back. And if you go around outside the circle, don't worry, because we're going to be using a liner just to make the circle even more circle. So now you get your cups, go on top and use your micron or whatever marker that you have and just make your circles. You can also use watercolor if you don't have markers. Just use more concentrate paint, not too much water. And remember to use the exact same cups that you did before. So that will be the perfect fit. Now I got this nice silver color, and you decorate the ornaments the way you like it. In this case, I decided to make some lines, but you can put flowers, or you can do circles, you can do snowflakes, any kind of design that you like. And you can make it your own. You can also, if you don't like this color, you can use gold, you can use bronze, any color that you like. I'm just making these simple lines, and for this one I decided to make some dots. Please, friends, don't forget to check out my Etsy store. I have a lot of my paintings that I have done on the YouTube video, and also some that I did not make videos, but you can check out the store. It's under the same name, Debbie's Art Journey. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a like. When you give it a like, it helps my video to pop in the YouTube channels. So it will help my channel, and it will help other people to learn something new. And that would be amazing if I could teach anybody anything that they don't know. That's even better. So I'm just using my tape as a frame, and I'm just using the exact same color with a bigger brush, and I'm just going around to make a nice frame for this card. Again, you can use any color that you like. In this case, I'm using the exact same silver, but you can use gold or bronze or any color that you prefer. Even black, it will work. And I'm making the top for my ornament, and I'm just using my sienna. If you have markers, you can use your markers also. You can use the acrylic or Sharpie or whatever markers that you have. In this case, I'm just using my watercolor, the leftover, and my plate. And this part is optional. You don't have to do it. I like glitter, anything shiny, so I decided to add some glue. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of my silver glitter. And it's going to make your card even pop even more. So it's going to look more festive. And this one was from dollar store, so it's nothing fancy, no expensive glitter. We're going to remove the tape, shake it off, and here is the card. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.